Hello and welcome to Herb Nerd TV. Today, we're going to share with you 5 simple herbal teas that can help improve your sleep. The first tea on our list is chamomile tea. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid, thanks to its calming properties. It can also help reduce anxiety and stress, which can contribute to a better night's sleep. Next up is valerian root tea. Valerian root has a sedative effect on the body and is commonly used to treat insomnia. It's also been shown to improve the quality of sleep and reduce the amount of time it takes to fall asleep. Our third tea is passionflower tea. This herb is known for its ability to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety, making it a great choice for those who struggle with sleep due to stress. Lavender tea is another great option for improving sleep. Lavender has a calming effect on the nervous system and can help reduce tension and promote relaxation. It's also been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. Last but not least, we have lemon balm tea. Lemon balm has a mild sedative effect and can help calm the mind and promote relaxation. It's also been shown to improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. So there you have it, 5 simple herbal teas to help improve your sleep. Remember, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbs or supplements into your routine. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more herbal health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.